Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Highlands Mortgage account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to google.com. Now, in the Google search bar, search for Highlands Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to Highlands Mortgage. And if this is not the page you are looking for, go back and search for which is your bank. So if it's the second one, click on the second one and it will lead you to the login portal of Highlands Residential Mortgage. What you need to do is write down your username, write down your password, click on I agree to the user terms and privacy policy and hit the login button. This way you can successfully log into your Highlands Residential Mortgage account. In case you want to read the user terms and privacy policy, you can go through these links and read the do's and don'ts of Highlands Residential Mortgage. You can hide or unhide the password anytime, and if you want your browser to remember your username for the next time you log in, click on Remember My Username and then you can log into your account quite easily. If you don't have an account yet, this is the link for you to register your account and create a new account for yourself. And if you have forgotten your username or password, these two links will help you retrieve your username and recover your password. This was a video on how you can log into Highlands Residential Mortgage. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.